Hi everybody, welcome, welcome. I thought I would do everybody a favor and post my schedule. That way you can watch a video if you want to, or don't watch a video. Because some are longer than others, and that's possibly because I'm doing a review on something or whatever, so you don't have to watch that video. Please feel free to skip it. All right, here's the schedule. I want to welcome my new subscribers. I value everybody. Thank you so much. Click the gray bell if you want future notifications. And here we go. When I post, I usually post around 10:30 p.m. On Saturday and Sunday, I don't post that evening. On Monday and Tuesday nights, I'll post art-related videos like Q&A, dried pieces, reviews, show and tell. On Wednesday for Hump Day, it's Whatever Wednesday. Maybe some animal talk, or Tell It Like It Is, or What the Hell's Up With That videos, or Get to Know Me videos. Thursday, a beautiful painting. I'm hoping to have time. If not, it'll be a quick little painting. Friday, cooking stuff for the weekend. A recipe, a snack, a quick little food video, whatever. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for being part of this family. Arrivederci.